Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the animation controller in Rec Room and confirming your Maker Pen is active. Once done, import or create at least 3 clips: idle, walk, and interact, because you need clear states first. Then add the controller to the object or avatar you want to animate so the system recognizes the target. Make sure to name each clip clearly. Consistent names prevent confusion when wiring transitions. Finally, set the controller to editable mode so you can patch states right away without extra permissions. Now you wire the state machine. Create nodes for each clip and drop the corresponding animation into them so the controller knows which clip plays where. Next, add transition nodes and assign conditions. For example, set speed greater than 0. 1 to exit idle into walk, because conditions drive automatic switching. If you need smooth mixing between walk and run, use a blend tree and map a speed parameter. Once wired, label parameters and lock your connections to avoid accidental edits during testing. Finish by running the preview and exercising every input so you can see transitions and timing in action. If an animation snaps, adjust transition durations and loop points, and change parameter thresholds to prevent jitter. This fixes most timing issues. Once satisfied, save a version copy so you can revert if needed. If something still fails, reset the problematic node, reassign the clip, and confirm parameter names match exactly. Mismatched names are the most common silent failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.